Hey, y'all hear that noise in the background? That's cicadas. Littles is using the bathroom. But what's funny, there's a concrete place right over here. And I thought it was his belt on his fan on his at his little shop over there. I was telling my neighbor about it. And I went down the road the other day. I turned around and I heard it up there, and I'm like, wow, but it's cicadas. What are you doing, Needles? Ow! She got me. Needles. The birds are chirping. And I had a bunch of briars right here I had to cut down. Oh. I don't even know what's down in there. There's like some sawhorses. Might be able to use them. They're short though. Some dishes. My paint. Yeah, it's crazy. I can't believe that noise. You know, I've heard cicadas. They usually go make a funny noise. Have some swallows been hanging around. I don't know if they're tree swallows or barn swallows. Dude, come on. What are you doing? I have to keep an eye on her. I don't want her to get anywhere near that road. But something made a nest up here and made a big mess in the lawnmower. I don't know. It's kind of a mud nest. I don't see any babies. Nope. Dennis, watch out. Watch out, my little girls. Come on. Oh, sniffing, sniffing. Our neighbor's dog barking at us. You hear that, doggy? You hear that dog barking? Huh? She thinks she sees something. See that swallow? I guess they got some nests right here. I think they're swooping me. That's all right. That's pretty cool. They must have a nest over here. That might be their nest up there. I hope y'all can see them. Probably got you pointed toward the sun. Littles. Here it comes back. I'll have to do some research on them. I don't know what they eat. I guess they eat bugs. I seen them collecting nesting materials the other day. Littles. Come on. Hope you don't drop any bombs on me. Littles. What are you doing? Pull over, seeing what my neighbor threw out. Let's see if I get over here, if it gets littles. They could be feeding, they could be grabbing bugs. I don't know, that was pretty close there. I think I'm over here by their nest. Yeah, I better move. Come on, Wills, I don't want to bother them. Interesting though. Come here, boy. Look at this big anthill. Got all kinds of anthills in short. Littles. I gave her a bath yesterday. So she's probably trying to look for something to roll in. So I can't believe it. Yeah, I usually dig them up in the winter. And I fooled around, and I didn't. And that was the only one that lives. These two died. This one died. This one right here died, I guess. Littles. I've not got very many bee balm that came up. Got a couple of foxgloves. What is that? A peanut in my flowers. That's some kind of flower. That's not no morning glory. I've got a new pump ordered. This one still works. Where's the thing at? No. It's a smart pump. So when it loses sun or not sun, but like if it gets out of water, it will shut off, keep from burning up. But I can replug it up and it works for a little while. I mean, the thing, it lasted 2 summers, and then it froze a couple times last year. So it stopped when I hit the shade, or if I get in front of it. All right, littles, have you done did your business? Huh? Listen, have you did all you gonna do out here? You done did it all? You wanna go in the house now? And we're going there and get you a Scooby snack? You want a Scooby snack? Hey y'all, I'm gonna walk out here and change these hummingbird feeders out. I can get out the door. Little, do you want to come with me? Come on. Little, come here. Always important to keep your hummingbird feeders clean. Come on. looking for food scraps. Where's that? Give that sugar to the trees. Come on, girl. All right. Come on. All right. See y'all later. Bye. Come on. Come on.